So did I really quit my job because of YouTube? Watch this video to the very end and you will know exactly why I quit my job. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If you are seeing me for the first time, hello beautiful. My name is Fola Shade. I film about skincare, lifestyle, weight loss and weight gain and a little bit of everything. To my returning subscribers, hello baby. Hello bestie, how are you doing? This is the last time I'm going to be apologizing. I know I keep saying that every time, but now I'm back for good. I am back for good. As you guys should ask for my home address, if you don't see me here consistently for the next 2 months or 3 months, just come to us and come and fight with me. Okay? So how have you been? I have missed you guys so much. A whole lot of things have happened and I am here to spill the tea. So this video is unscripted. I don't have any scripts. I'm just going to be gisting with you guys. I'm going to be telling you everything as it comes to my head. So I quit my job. A couple of you know that I used to work in real estate. I started working in real estate in 2022 July, and I worked for exactly 2 years. I quit my job June 2024. So today I'm filming this video on the 4th of July. So for the past 4 days I've been unemployed. Okay, so the main reason I quit my job is because it was just time to move on. So I was working in real estate, we're selling properties. I really do enjoy the job. I enjoyed my time. I was working as the PR and social media person. I was also doing sales, okay? And it was a very good job. I thoroughly enjoyed my time there. It was just time to move on. It was time to, do other things. So right now I still do real estate, but as an independent realtor. So if you want to buy land or if you want to buy houses, hit your girl up. I'm available to connect you to your next home or next plot of land. So another reason why I left is to pursue my own dreams, to do the things I actually love to do. I sincerely love talking behind the camera. I definitely enjoy talking to you guys and just making videos generally. And the job was really time consuming. Please don't get me wrong, I loved the job till the very last day. If I had my way, I would not leave, but I needed to just move on to pursue my own career, to do what makes me happy. I sincerely enjoy making YouTube videos. I really so much enjoy talking to you guys. I don't just feel like I'm sitting behind the camera and talking. I feel like I'm actually talking to you. Content creators who actually love creating content will be able to relate to this thing I'm saying. So I just felt like I'd left the things that make me happy for so long, and it was just time to pick it up. Throughout, for the past 2 years, I haven't been consistent here because of my job. The job is very time consuming, and now that I'm no longer actively working 9 to 5, I've tried to just come back to YouTube and seriously face what I actually love to do. So apart from the real estate part, I'm going to be doing YouTube full time now. Also, I have a business that I want to launch. I love to work with my hands, okay? I love to produce things with my hands, and something is coming, something is cooking. I want to do a scent. You guys know I like perfume so much, so I'm launching a business next month by August. I'll be releasing my fragrance, my scented candles, my room sprays, my rich diffusers and silk beddings. So please guys, please show your girl some support. I'm going to leave the business page on the screen, my real estate page as well. I'll leave it on the screen just so you follow up. Last month I clocked 30. I celebrated my 30th birthday, although I didn't do anything big. I just celebrated something small with my colleagues. And with this milestone, I just felt that I was done with paid employment. I wanted to just stand on my own. I wanted to, the kind of energy I put in my job, I know that if I put that kind of energy in my own business, I would really do very well. And that's one of the reasons I also left, because I feel like this is another chapter of my life. I just really want to do something for myself. I want to grow my own brand, and I want to do things that I really love to do. Again, I love real estate, but now I want to do it in my own time. One of my goals is to actually own my own, actually be a real estate developer, have my own estates, build and sell for people. So that's pretty much it. And as for a relationship, I'm still single. I'm very single. To be honest, when I was in my relationship in 2022, I didn't think I would be single for long. Honestly, I didn't think I would be single for long. I felt in 6 months I would enter into a new relationship, but it just didn't happen. Not because there were no options, but I know where I'm coming from, and I don't want to have to settle. I didn't want to settle. Okay, I want to
when I finally get into a relationship, I want to come back here and tell you guys that, guys, I found my person, that I am very, very sure that this is my person. But till then, the girl is still single and ready to mingle. Am I ready to mingle? I don't know. I'm just ready to make money. Okay, so another part that I want us to talk about is the weight loss. I did not lose weight. I'm not going to lie to you guys. If anything, I added weight. But am I loving it? Yes. Am I as beautiful as before? You tell me. You tell me. I didn't lose weight. I did not put in the effort I usually would. I've just been eating, and I want to still lose weight, of course, but I'm still enjoying my body. I like my body so much. I'm just trying to, live and do one thing at a time. Another update I want to give you guys is my skin. I don't know whether you can notice, but your girl's skin is popping. The last video I made here was on supplements. I bought these amazing supplements sometime last year, and did it work wonders? Boy, it did. I stopped it at the time because I think I made a video that a brand reached out to me, gave me some products, and I used, and it ruined my skin. So I had to just put everything on hold so that my skin can breathe and everything. But right now, I got another set of supplements. I started using it 3 weeks ago, and my skin is good. The supplements is working. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is I'm just going to focus on my real estate, on the independent thing. I'm going to really focus on my business. I'm going to try and lose weight. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, the girl loves the body the way it is. I just want to try and be more healthy. That's just the only thing. So moving forward, we're not going to be singing only skincare. I know that you guys really like my skincare videos. If you watch this video to this very point, I want to believe that you are enjoying this video. Please be sure you check the subscribe button whether you have subscribed. It's possible that you must have been watching my videos for long, but you just don't know. You just didn't know that you did not subscribe. So please just check the subscribe button and check whether you have subscribed. If you have subscribed, then turn on the notification icon. If you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything at all. So I'm going to, you guys enjoy my skincare videos, but I want you to know that that's not all to me. I'm going to be doing some lifestyle, my business as well. I'm going to be doing some behind the scene. I'm going to be doing more of perfume reviews. I'm going to be just doing everything. But of course, I know that you guys really like skincare, and I'm going to be giving you so much more on skincare and skin remedies. So that brings us to the end of this video. I do hope you guys are well. I understand that things are very expensive these days, but I want you guys to know that my heart is with you, my mind is with you. I'm really rooting for you, and thank you so much for sticking by me. I would see you in another video.